Hi, Bubba. Guess what? Guess what? I got a new sign for the bathroom. You want to see it? You want to read it? Here. Mm-hmm. Did you just say itchy butt?
Huh?
What does that say? We'll read it together, okay? Okay. Nature is calling, and I must go. If you need to use the bathroom, what do you do?
I'm trying to use the bathroom.
Who's in the bathroom? Here, here. Okay, now you can use it. Do you need the light on? Yeah, you do. Okay, we're gonna close it. Okay. No, no, no. Don't go back in there.
Hello.
Hello, isn't that a cool sign? Yeah. If you don't knock before entering, what happens? Good boy. And if you knock before entering, what do you get?
A cracker.